how to block account in Mobile Legends. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Okay, so the very first step, once you have opened the Mobile Legend app, click on this two-person icon at the right-hand side, and you should be able to see your friends list. Now select the account you want to block and tap on the search icon from the profile that pops up. Okay, this next part is really important, so make sure to pay close attention. At the right hand side, you can see a heart icon that says followed. We tap on that and click on OK. That will unfriend that specific player, and to completely block them, we still have some more steps. Let's go back to the previous page, and from here, let's go to following our followers from the left hand side. Now if you miss this next part, you'll have to start over. Go to the followers tab right here and look for the account that you want to block. For example, this one, once their profile pops up, click on the square icon at the bottom left, and you will then see this icon with a minus sign. That is a block icon, so tap on that and just tap on OK, and it will add them to the blacklist, which is how you can basically block account in Mobile Legends.